For this video, I take I-96 through the Metro Detroit area. Wow, 58 miles? Didn't realize it was that long. Well, anyway, we start things off in Howell before heading southeast to Brighton, and then we pass through places like Wixom, Novi, Farmington Hills, Livonia, and Redford Township before entering Big Bad Detroit. After buying some new kicks at the Howell Outlet Mall, I stepped in some goose crap on my way out. Them darn Canadian geese, they're everywhere here in Michigan. Or, Canada gooses? Oh wait, Canada geese? Okay, well, I've been saying that one wrong my whole life. Thanks, Joseph Miller, and the 100 other people who have let me know that. Well, anyway, I've been hiding this video from all of you for an entire year. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe, as doing all of those things helps these videos destroy the evil monster that is the YouTube algorithm. Last but not least, if you can't get enough of me on here, you can always go follow me on my other social media accounts, and those links are below. Well, before we get too far into it, let's try to find something on the radio, because it's going to get pretty boring pretty quick if we don't. So, yeah, let's see here. Where's the dial? There it is. Okay, let's see. Oh man, is that a breaking news sounder? What's going on here? Let's see. Sounds important.
And now, it's time for your Junk FM traffic update.
Ooh, I'm Tony Traffic with this traffic report. Just a reminder that abandoned way stations, overpasses, and rest areas are common spots for cops to sit on their butts and eat donuts while trying to meet their quota. Ooh, and if you see any, let me know so I can mention it in my next report. Call the Tony Traffic tip line at 555-5555 because I've got your back, people, as my eyes are in the sky all day, every day. It's the least I can do for you when you choose to spend your time with Junk FM. With this traffic report, I'm Tony Traffic. Ooh.
Traffic on Junk FM is sponsored by Creepy Joe's Restoration.
Oh man, that might be the best traffic report I've ever heard. I'm gonna keep this station on. Let's see what else is on Junk FM.
Once a year here at Junk FM, we take a lucky winner's junk car and swap it out for a brand new one. Contest begins Thursday at 5 p.m. You can sign up for the contest through our website. We promise to not sell your information as it's safe with the Junk Crew. In order to qualify, you must drive a car that freaking sucks.
Everybody put your hands in the air.
One that's older than your grandma and is less durable than a refrigerator that was made in 1955. One lucky winner will receive a brand new lifted Chevy Tahoe with all tinted windows and chrome rims, so you can start rolling around like a real G. Sign up today.
No broadcasting entity is allowed to copy our idea and our station's branding because we had the idea first. And yes, I always talk this fast.
Detroit's own Junk FM.
Yeah, okay. All right then. I know that most of you know at this point that I used to work in radio in the Detroit market. Well, I have no clue who any of these people are. Just saying. I don't know who any of these people are, just so that's out there. All right, well, let's see what's next.
Detroit's own Junk FM.
Accurate weather on the dot.
With your weather forecast, I'm Susanna Sprinkles. We have partly cloudy skies for the rest of the day, with a high of 72, which makes for a nice fall day today. I'm Susanna Sprinkles with the weather.
Accurate weather on the dot.
Oh, and for some other information, I filmed this video a year ago, as you can see, but today, with today being late 2022, this entire highway is torn up as they're adding what is called a flex lane to I-96 between Kent Lake Road and the 275 junction up ahead, which is about a 10-mile stretch. A flex lane will be added for both east and westbound directions, and the flex lane will be placed where the left shoulder is currently. US 23 already has this set up for several miles north of Ann Arbor, but what's going to happen is the left shoulder will become a through lane during peak travel times, and an electronic sign above the roadway will let you know if the lane is open to drive on. During less busy travel times, the lane will become a shoulder. So that's what's happening here. They're also going to be adding Michigan's first ramp meters at the exits with Milford, Novi, and Wixom roads, and the project is expected to last through 2024. So once that's done, this highway will look completely different. Well, how's that for a news update? Junk FM should hire me to lead their newsroom.
We're not gonna behave. Nothing can stand in our way. They'll try to hold us down, but the wild ones, golden wild ones. We've got a battle to rage. Look out, we're coming your way. Watch us now. Hear that sound, we'll make the devil run, 'cause we're the wild ones. I'm going up. Woo! I don't need no other groove. Yeah, we're finally fireproof. Got that look in our eye and the feeling inside, and I know we're on the move now. Hey, whoa, we're finally fireproof. Yeah, we're the wild ones, the golden wild ones. Yeah, we're finally fireproof. Yeah, we're the wild ones, the golden wild ones. Yeah, I'm finally fireproof. Woo! I don't need no other groove. Yeah, I'm finally fireproof. Got that look in my eye and the feeling inside, and I know I'm on the move now. Hey, whoa, I'm finally fireproof. Hey, whoa, we're finally fireproof.
Ooh, for this traffic report, I'm Tony Traffic. If you just heard someone shouting and cursing, that's because they're on 275 southbound at the 96 split, as construction is making people go slower than 70. Ooh, I've seen much worse, but apparently it's causing people to call into the station and complain about it. Meanwhile, I've got my eyes in the sky, all day, every day. And remember, don't be a pansy and call into the station. Chill out, you road raging freaks. Drive safe. I'm Tony Traffic on Junk FM. Ooh.
Open up the door, let yourself in. Don't try to fight emotions that the mall soak out again. You're flying back and forth, colliding with these thoughts. You'll find yourself, so I'm not going home until the end.
What if I ain't good at mathematics? What if I ain't good at this rapping? What What if everything I do, I just ain't good enough at it? They'll say your work was good, but you ain't have a good enough habit. You ain't fiend for it enough, you wasn't a good enough addict. Try to stay in the right lane, but I'm swerving through traffic. Try my life in this dice game, to say I hope you don't crap it. Post-traumatic stress I be having, looking back on my actions. Go caption what you see when you try to imagine. So I ain't going home for a while, I'ma walk with these dogs for some miles. Trying to figure out how we can get so lost in the crowd, so exhausting to always feel down.
Open up the door, let yourself in. Don't try to fight emotions at the mall, so God again. You're flying back and forth, colliding with these thoughts. You'll find yourself, so I'm not going home until the end.
If you try and you fall, better than not knowing at all. But what's best of all, you bounce back stronger than ever before. Working overload, back on the wall, open exposed. They got common goals, gotta take it places they never go. Got everybody counting on you, you the one that they chose. You make the little people in the village think they can grow. The sacrifices that you make can be for nothing, I know. So be that person in the mirror that you see and glow, 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 glow. So I ain't going home for a while, I'ma walk with these dogs for some miles. Trying to figure out how we can get so lost in the crowd, so exhausting to always feel down.
Open up the door, let yourself in. Don't try to fight emotions at the mall, so God again. You're flying back and forth, colliding with these thoughts. You'll find yourself, so I'm not going home until the end.
Detroit's own Junk FM.
All right, I don't know about you, but I think that's enough of Junk FM. And with that said, I do end the video here. And if you enjoy this type of video, make sure you drop a like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, as doing all of those things helps these videos destroy the evil monster that is the YouTube algorithm. Also, make sure to hit that notification bell and select yes so that you can be notified every time that I upload a new video. If you enjoy this video, then you might enjoy checking out some of the featured playlists on this channel. Videos like the one that you saw here can be found in my Michigan playlist, my Detroit suburbs playlist, or in my Detroit playlist. Last but not least, if you can't get enough of me on here, you can always go follow me on my other social media accounts, and those links are below. We'll see you next time. Peace.